Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to remove browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to enter our browser, and this time I will use this default browser here. So let's tap on it, and here simply tap on this 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter bookmarks and history, and simply tap on the history here. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously opened websites. Of course, you can tap on it, hold it, and you will be able to mark the particular websites which you would like to remove, and simply tap on delete. You can do it manually, of course, but if this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear here. Your device will simply ask you if you want to clear the history, so just tap on clear. And as you can see, here we've got no previously visited websites, which means that we just successfully removed them, so that's quite easy. So actually this is it. This is how to remove browsing data in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.